Hola.
Hola.
And welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. It's still middle of October and it's a really hot day.
It is. I've got my helmet on. That makes it even warmer.
Yeah.
But I've got my helmet on because we're going on a fair old journey for us. We're going to La Mata. And as you can see there, we've got this Herod fencing. We can't get through the normal way. We are at the Hyperbear garage on the Hyperbear roundabout. We're not going onto the new road. We're going to use the old road and we're going to get onto the goat road. The windy one that goes to the bridge over the N332. To get there, because this is fenced off, we've got to go on the Avenida de la Opera and turn first left, go as far as we can, and then turn left again, and then right, and that should take us on the go road. We'll show you. Come on, we're off. Let's go. I'm trying not to use my battery because it's going to be a long day, and there's some big hills up to La Mata, isn't there?
You've got that really big hill, haven't you?
Yeah.
That always wears out your battery.
Yeah, we'll go on here, we're turning left. The car behind us, so we'll just tell them we're turning left here. We were down here the other day, weren't we?
Yes.
At our friends Graham and Julie put on a fantastic barbecue. You can see in front of us now all the new building works. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cranes now. Busily building. You can see they've terminated the road just here, and the new road to the left. The old road to the right. The good thing now is we've got it to ourselves, which is really weird. I haven't used my battery yet.
Good, well done.
That's why I'm exhausted.
I bet you will by the time we get to the top of here.
Oh, I won't be able to make the top of that hill without the battery.
Busy working over there, digging.
Yeah. It's coming on. The Lagoons village is really coming on now. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings there, and 6 cranes.
It's a bit windy.
It is.
It's against us. What gear are you in?
Yeah, I'm in 2nd gear, but I've no battery on.
I'm in 3rd, but I'm thinking to change to 2.
But we're now approaching the barriers. So this is the end of the goat road. And this new head office building is, wow, put me on a treat. I'm in 2nd power up here. Oh, and here we are going over the N332. That's a bit easier. Come off 1st power now. Fortunately there's no cars coming, so back to 6th gear, down the hill. That's one of the hard bits over with. Now here's the next big obstacle, this hill, which probably goes on for maybe a couple of kilometres. And then once we get to the top of there, it's all downhill. So I'm going to keep my power on for a bit. Well, we've made it to the water park. Got not far to go, have we? On down the road. Let me just show you the fountain. There it is. Quite an iconic spot in La Mata. It's got a little sign on it though. If you look at this little sign there, it says no bathing or prohibido bañarse.
Bañarse.
Bañarse. You see, she knows a little bit more than I do, but what that actually means is Don't put your ass in here. That's what it's saying.
That's it.
This is the old water mill, and you can read that. Espacios Naturales de la Comunidad Valenciana, Paraje Natural Municipal Molino del Agua. Now then, we're right at the end of La Mata Beach, and we're actually just before you get onto Guadamar Beach, because according to a sign over there, where those people are walking, Guadamar Beach does actually start there. Blue hotel in the distance, and Guadamar in the distance. Fair old way. So we're going to get the drone out here. It's a nice fly area, but it's a bit on the windy side.
The sea's really choppy.
And yeah, if you look at the sea and behind us there, you can see a lot of white water.
Got your surfboard?
No.
Oh, that'd have been ideal.
Yeah. Oh well, never mind. Next time.
Next time.
We used to Sequian Beach, aren't we? We go surfing there, don't we? If anybody knows Sequian Beach, it's like a mill pond. No chance of any surf there.
Single wave.
Great for that new sport though. There's come about the where they just stand on it with a little motor underneath. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Little birds scavenging in the seaweed, trying not to scare them. But I don't know what sort of birds they are. They're very, very unusual birds. And there's 4 or 5 of them here.
Oh,
looking through the seaweed.
Gracias.
Thank you, thank you. We got glasses?
We've got glasses with us. Bottles. Australia.
Let's get a bit of an head on it. There we go, look at that. Aye. Poured by an expert. A nice
Right glass of beer.
bottle of lovely Spanish beer, Estrella Damm.
No, Estrella.
Estrella, my apologies for my inept pronunciation.
It's not rules.
No L's.
Estrella.
There's no L's in Spain.
Not if there's 2.
Nice big olives, aren't they?
Yeah, they look nice, them.
Any good? It's nice. I love olives now. I never used to, but since I've been here, green olives, absolutely beautiful. I like black ones as well.
I think they're an acquired taste.
Yeah, they are.
It took me a while to get to like them, but
They like
I do
gin.
like them now. Like gin.
Well, we're on the. Is it the Esplanade?
Esplanade.
I think it's
yeah.
Esplanade La Mata. Thought we'd come and have a walk down here. We haven't been down for a while, have we?
No, we haven't.
And it's a bit breezy today, but I did get the drone out.
The sea is still quite choppy, isn't it?
Yeah, surfing job is that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful beach, La Mata. You couldn't hope for a better sandy, clean, you know, very, very nice beach. And there's quite a lot of it, isn't there? There's,
it's very long.
It's a long beach. Oh, it's tiring now, isn't it? All this walking up and down.
Only just started.
Well, we just stayed. We've been at it all day.
Cycling, walking.
And then when we get home, we've got no to sit on.
Why is that then?
Because we haven't got a three-piece suite anymore.
Why?
Because we got rid of it.
We gave it away, didn't we?
We gave it away. And we got a new one.
But we haven't got it yet.
We haven't got it yet. We don't get it till Wednesday.
So we're sitting on our
Arses.
chairs from the solarium.
Right. Solarium chairs. It's not ideal for lounging about, watching telly.
No, if you put a cushion on the back, and then if you lean forward, it falls down the gap at the back.
Yeah, it falls onto the floor, doesn't it? Well, we could always block that all up, you know.
What with?
With my old string vest or something like that.
You need a few of them, I think.
What do you mean? Not that big. I think we'll call for a beer though before we set off back. It's at least 40 minutes to get home from here. What day is it? Monday.
Yeah.
You don't want to be missing Coronation Street, do you?
It's not until 9.
Might take us till then to get home.
Oh, there's one of them signs there, look.
What signs?
The saying it's illegal to buy. Off
Oh,
the,
yeah. A £200 fine for people buying off the Lucky Boys.
Yeah. There's a lot of these signs in Torrevieja, isn't there? On the front.
Yeah, there's in Torre. Right then. Got my power on. Double power. I'm in gear 5 now. Gone down from 6. Yvonne's coming up on my right hand side now. Look at her, she's skating up here. The only trouble is I weigh 20 stone and she only weighs 5 stone.
I wish I did.
I'm in 3rd gear now. Oh, it's a right hill, is this?
Push.
2nd gear. Power on. The assist is not good. I am now in 1 gear, gear number 1.
Look at them little leggies go.
My legs are going, but I'm not moving. Yvonne had this bright idea that we'd swap bikes, but I'm not sure. It might just make me look even worse than what I am.
You need a hand.
Where are you going?
See you at the top. I'm in gear 6.
Oh my. She's away, look. What gear are you in?
6.
You liar.
I'm in 6.
Are you?
Yeah.
I've got to 2nd gear now. 2nd gear. 3rd gear. Oh, I think I've done it. The good thing about going to La Mata is downhill up from top of here. Oh, 4th gear, 5th gear. It's more or less flat now. I've only got 1 light on my battery though now.
Do you want to swap bikes?
Nah, we're all right. When mine goes dead, we'll swap.
Oh yeah, right. I don't think so, pal. You think that's funny? You won't be laughing when I say no.
Well, it's all downhill now. I think I could probably get home now. Now that we've got to here. Even though...
Yeah, that's the worst bit done.
That is the absolute worst bit now. The sun glinting off the pink lake there. You see the back of the music centre. and the hospital there on the right hand side. This is where I leave Yvonne behind because she don't like to go fast. She's probably 100 yards back now. You there?
Yeah. Oh, good. You got some battery left?
Yeah. That's all I need this bit really, I think. Look at the size of that building. We'll soon be going straight on there and left.
Yeah.
To ourselves now.
Yeah, for a while. How did that feel? Exhilarating.
It was all right, wasn't it? I must have got up to about 60 knots going down that road there.
Bit of a change from going up.
Look at this bloody thing here. Crap. All roads should be like this, shouldn't they? Just for bikes. No cars allowed.
Yeah.
Right, this is the end of the road.
Let's go on this dirt road now.
Just don't use your brakes on here, just pedal. Okay, well here we are, back on home turf. We're at our favourite bar in Altos de Limona, the Concerto. We had a great day in La Mata, had a meal of the day at Casa Nana.
Casa Nana.
Enjoyed it, very good. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Cheers.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Ding.
Adios.